So my beautiful people, today I have an awesome routine that's gonna help you achieve stronger knees, calves, and ankles. All really, really important, all right? Lower leg workout, so let's get into it. First up, we have a lateral squat walk, all right? Feet are hip width apart. You're gonna go into a squat, and then you're gonna take 2 steps to one side, and then 2 steps to the other side, or 3, depending how much space you have, all right? Your back is nice and straight, all right? Chin is up, chest is up. Very good. If doing this the entire time is too much, you can go ahead, do a few to the side, stand up, then go back into that squat, do a few to the other side, and then stand up and going back into that squat. Or if you want, just do regular squats altogether. And 3, 2, 1, and coming up. Very good. Next, we have some ankle rolls. And if you can, I want you to try to do it while standing with balance, all right? So first comes up, and you're gonna roll it outwards, all right, for 15 seconds. And then we're gonna go to the other side. All right, switching to the other way in 3, 2, 1, other way. All right, and I want you to do this balancing if you can, because that also helps strengthen your lower leg, all right? Balancing a nice, strong standing leg. If not, go ahead and use a wall or chair and hold on to that. And 3, 2, 1, coming together and other foot. All right, 15 seconds outwards. Awesome job. A little bend in your standing leg, all right? You don't wanna completely lock it because that's gonna disrupt the blood flow. So a little bend should also help you balance. All right, switching in 3, 2, 1, inwards. You'll find that you have a better side. All right. My right foot is definitely a little bit more coordinated than my left. All right, and 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Next, we have some lunges. Now, don't run away. I'll give you some variations. All right, and do some lunges. So stepping back. All right, nice 90-degree angle, nice 90-degree angle, up, and then other side. If a full lunge is not for you today, go ahead and do little lunge steps, all right? So stepping into lunge, straight back leg, bend forward, coming back, both knees are bent, and then stepping back again. So these are my little lunge steps, I like to call them. If not, go for those full reverse lunges. Very good. Nice straight spine, chest is up. And 3, 2, 1, together. Very good. Ending it with some calf raises. All right, up on your heel or on the balls of your feet, heels come up, and then down and repeat. All right, if this is easy and you want to make it fun, do something a little different, you can try some tiptoe walks. So staying on the balls of your feet the entire time and tiptoe walking forward, backwards. All right, pretend you're on that catwalk, put some attitude into it. If not, go ahead, try those calf raises. You can hold on to a wall or a chair. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. Set 1 of our lower leg workout. Big breath. We're going right into set 2, starting with our lateral squat walk. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and standing. Very good. Ankle rolls. One side, let's go. All right, switching inwards in 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, other side. And switching in 3, 2, 1, inwards. And 3, 2, 1, together, very good. Lunges, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, straight into calf raises or a tiptoe walk. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, come down, bend, shake those legs, and celebrate. 2 sets, done and dusted. 1 more to go, big breath. And 3, 2, 1, handstanding, very good. Ankle rolls, one side, let's go. All right, switching inwards in 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, other side. And switching in 3, 2, 1, inwards. And 3, 2, 1, together, very good. Lunges, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, straight into calf raises or tiptoe walk. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Come down, bend, shake those legs. And there we have it, 3 sets of your lower leg workout. I hope you liked it, something different. Let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.